Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be talking about integrating Squarespace with Shopify, so let's get right into it. Now, integrating is a bit of a, well, not the word that I would specifically use, since you cannot really integrate the two together. There are no official integrations as far as I'm aware. However, you can use Shopify to point, or Squarespace to point to a Shopify site. Not sure if there is a feature on Shopify that can do the same, but in reverse. But I'll be showing you guys how you can do this. Now, I will be using a guide since I do not have any domains, but this will be sufficient enough for this purpose. Now, to actually point to a non-Squarespace site, in this case Shopify, what you're going to want to do is first open up your domains dashboard on Shopify or on Squarespace. Then you're going to click DNS and the DNS settings, and in the default section you're going to click the red trash can to delete everything. Then scroll down to custom records, then add a record. Then from the type drop-down menu, select CNAME. As the host, enter 3 W's. In the data field, enter the URL from your provider and click save to complete the process. Then you're going to need to complete the connection by pointing the domain to an IP address, and within the DNS settings from before, again, you can delete the default records as well, but you should have already done that in the previous step. You can then scroll down to custom records, then add another custom record. From the type, you need to select A, then as the host field, enter at, or the at symbol rather. In the data field, you'll need to enter the IP address from your provider and click save to complete the process. This can take up to 3 days and at minimum about 24 hours or 1 day, so keep that in mind. And after you've done that, then you can test the connection by opening a new private or incognito window, entering your domain, and you should find the third-party site with your Squarespace domain in the browser address bar. And if it's not pointing correctly, contact the site host and ask for the correct URL or IP address for pointing your domain. And that is pretty much it for integrating them, sort of. But what you can also do within Squarespace itself, and this I actually can show you, you can edit your pages and add links to your items on Shopify. You can add images to promote everything. But if you want to set up a link to your Shopify store, for example, just get to a section, add a block, and add a button, and just call it whatever you want. I'll edit it and I'll just type in Squarespace link as an example, and now I have that button set up. Then you want to click the link icon, and as the URL, just enter your Squarespace, Shopify URL. So let me just change this back to Shopify. And then you can just link your Shopify URL right over here. As I mentioned, you can also create images of your Shopify product and post them up on your site and link them to the products on your Shopify store, but pretty much the principle is the same. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.